To log into the system, you will need to enter your username and password provided to you by your manager. Once these are entered correctly, you can then select the campaign you intend to log into. Press Submit and the agent application will load up. Once the application is loaded, you are in a pause state. To begin receiving calls, you must click Go Ready in the top left-hand menu. Only whilst you are in a ready state can you receive live calls. If you need to pause to stop receiving calls, click on the Pause button. Then select the reason why you're pausing. You will see your current status updating your live stats report in the middle of the page. You need to be paused in order to place a manual dial call, where you enter a phone number manually to place a call. Let us demonstrate this for you now. Click on the manual dial icon. Now enter the telephone number you wish to dial. Then click the dial button. If there is a matching record found for this telephone number, the saved information will display in this web form. A web form like this will display each time a live call is presented to you. The format of this web form may change depending on the campaign the call comes from, as different information will be displayed for the different products on each campaign. When you are finished with the call, you have options on how to end the call. You may need to transfer the call to another department or to a third party. To do this, go into the Transfer section. Select the appropriate destination. Then you can click Start Transfer, which places the caller on hold and dials the transfer destination. You can introduce the call to the transfer recipient. Then click Complete Transfer to pass the call through. This will then bring you to the hang-up disposition screen. This allows you to select the correct call disposition code, the outcome of the call. Please note, in this call disposition page, you have the opportunity to set this call outcome as a callback. Selecting this option will present a diary page to you to select when you need to call this person back again. Let's set a callback for this call. First, choose the callback disposition. I'll select a date in 1 week's time and an afternoon callback for 3 p.m. Some notes to say, this person needed to find documents before proceeding. I will select this as a personal callback and click Submit. Now this call has been handled, the call has been dispositioned successfully, and you can move on to the next call. We will click Pause again so we can have a look at our call logs and check out our callback diary to see if any callbacks are coming up today. Call log. This is a log of the calls you have made or received today. This is useful if you need to call a client back as you forgot some important details on the previous call. You can click the dial button next to the record to call this person again. Callbacks. Here you can see your personal callbacks and the times the callbacks are due to be called. It's a good idea to have a look through these at the beginning of your shift to remind yourself of these calls. When a callback becomes due, you will see a notification pop up in the browser if you have notifications enabled. You will also see the callbacks due statistic in your report increase. To call one of these callbacks, click the dial button next to the record. If the person asks for another callback or the call was not answered, you need to set the callback again using the hang-up disposition screen. Now we have clicked to dial this callback, you will see the web form appear again with the client's information populated. If you hang up the call and assign the no answer outcome for the call, the record will not have a personal callback set anymore and will be called back by the system and the call given to whichever agent is available to receive the call. Let's set another callback on this client for tomorrow morning so we can hope to contact them then. Now it's the end of your shift and you need to log out of the system. Click on the top right person icon and select Log Out. Thanks for watching our Apex Agent Basics training video. We hope you enjoy using Apex CCP. Goodbye.